Hey there folks, it's Yat Kean here from Trend Ground. Alright, so today we have an interesting device to show you and unbox as well, the Huawei Nova 11 Pro. Okay, yes, the phone is already out of the box, but I just want to show you what are you actually getting inside this box, because I think what is inside there is actually really value for the money if you are getting this Huawei Nova 11 Pro. So this is just a quick unboxing and quick impression on the device as well, okay? I'm not gonna explain too much about it, so let's get into it. Okay, so phone aside first, let's focus more onto the box itself. So as you all know that this is the packaging box for the Nova 11 Pro. It has Kunlun glass, nice app gallery. Yeah, pretty much that's it. These are some of the hints that is actually giving from the packaging itself. So you got the wrapper, the phone is up here, nice. So then you got the SIM 2 ejector, okay, and then you have a casing over here that is nice. TPU case, good. I'm gonna take it out first because I'm going to use it soon as well. Okay, let me put that back in, and you would not believe it, this device is supporting 100 watt Huawei supercharge. Yeah, it's a mid-range phone, but it supports 100 watt Huawei supercharge. Comes with the adapter and the cable as well. I think yeah, you can't deny that the packaging is offering here, everything is pretty solid. Yeah, so this is the TPU case. Okay, now let's come back to the phone itself. So this is what it looks like at the back. Okay, let me just try to take this off away first. Okay, all right. So this is how it looks like at the back. That's a false leather. That's very soft to touch. This phone slimness reminds me of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro because I own one. Yeah, and it does exude that same feel of it. Curved screen, okay. At the back here, there's like some slight curve as well. That's nice. Power button with the red accent onto it. Volume rocker. On the right side, flush together. Left side, there's nothing much. At the bottom, you get the SIM slot, USB Type-C charging port, speaker grill, and then on top of it, you have a speaker grill as well. And I really love the black color version compared to the green color. Why? Because it added some gold onto it. Yeah, look at that finishing onto it. It exudes a really premium, and for me, I think it exudes a fashion-forward smartphone. Yeah, so if you're someone that is really stylo, you know, you gotta have that style. This phone looks amazing onto it. Yeah, so definitely if you're going to look forward for a smartphone that has that looks, I think Nova 11 Pro, you won't go wrong with it. Yeah. And look at all the elements it has added, all the Nova logo on the leather back. It's nice. It's really, really nice. Now, powering this device is actually the Snapdragon 778 4G. I think the processor is still one of the best, even though it is dated and doesn't have 5G over here. But day-to-day usage, I have tried it, it's not bad. But this is not a full review. Okay, the full review you have to wait for a while. I'm gonna release the article first, okay, and subsequently video at a later date because I'm actually rushing a few more models to review. So hopefully bear with the contents. Yeah, so but the key thing highlight, definitely now you get a 50 megapixel main camera over here with 8 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera. Yeah, on the front you get two cameras, a 16 megapixel selfie camera with another 8 megapixel ultra wide selfie camera. So I think this device is substantially good because it can shoot up to 4K videos front and rear. So if you're going to do vlogs, this device is pretty good, you know, for a mid-ranger to offer that such convenience feature for those who like to do vlog. Alright, so basically that's it. I want to talk about the phone, okay? I'm not gonna show too much thing about it, okay? That's just some of the sample photos shot with the 50 megapixel mode. Yeah, but overall I have to say the phone really feels fine. It has that Huawei top-notch quality build onto it, and yeah, the 120Hz refresh rate here is really silky smooth over here. You can't complain much, okay? But sure, do hold on to the full review video. I'm going to talk a little bit more, like such as the performance, cameras, the battery, and etc. Okay, so I'm Yat Kean. I'm gonna sign out. Hopefully you guys enjoy this kind of like unboxing and quick impression on the device. And I'll see you guys on the next one, alright?